I need you today.
Oh my
I think it's done.
You think it's done?
I think it's done.
Yeah, I don't think he's done.
I don't think he's done.
Can you add the lyrics to this and upload it, please?
Huh?
Never mind.
Nothing. You silly thing. Anyway, birds. I didn't know he wasn't a
Burbs.
bird. No, not burps. Birds. We were talking about birds.
No, I said burbs.
Burbs? You can't have a pet burb. I wanted a pet duck,
Yeah, it was
but
so
I was
obvious.
told I wasn't allowed to have a pet duck. The closest we could get was a dog named Duck. But then I just found out that you wanted a bird.
Yes, I want a bird.
A bird is also a duck. So if I can't have a duck, why can you have a bird?
It's not a duck. It can fly.
That's worse. If the bird can
my-
fly, we can lose it.
Then close the windows.
It will still fly around the house. It's gonna hit the fan and die. That would be so sad. Or it's gonna fly into the layup and perish. Fried bird.
But the fan one was the most obvious
That's a
dumb way
problem.
to die.
Birds have little braids. I've heard that. Bird brain. That's a mean comment people say to people when they have little thinking going on. I would not call anyone that because that's mean.
Why would you?
I'm just saying. Anyway, so what I want to clear is why you can have a bird but I can't have a duck, which is also a bird. Ducks are cute.
Okay, one is
they
because. Okay, one is because when someone. How do I say that?
To be fair, we started talking about ducks
I know where this is
when
going.
quack-like sounds were coming from people, and I thought we should just get a duck so we can blame the duck. Like it happened, it's like that darn duck.
When you do that, the duck is probably gonna quack.
Because it's offended. It's offended that I'm blaming it.
Sure, why not?
But that's not the only reason I want a duck.
Then why do you want a duck?
Because they're so cute. And they
Oh,
waddle. Look
how
at their little web
generous.
feet. They're so little web feet. They're so cute. You want a bird because the fruit people have a bird. And when we visited them, it landed on your
I
shoulder.
know. What?
Its name is Mango.
Not the fruit mango.
I mean, I'm sure it's named after the fruit mango.
Whatever.
It's the fruit people. It's the family who sell fruit. They have a bird named Mango.
There's a color named mango.
Do you know where the color crayon of Mango got its name from?
Oh my god, why do you have to be so literal?
A mango. Fruit. That is always,
Whatever.
there's always been a fruit first.
Why
Fruit.
are you screaming?
Don't worry
Why
about it.
are you so opinionated? I'm just kidding. Are we screaming?
No.
We're passionate. Well, I guess that concludes our conversation about birds.
Goober.